Hi everyone, and today we're here and I'm going to build the bonsai tree. It has 878 pieces and it is an 18 plus set. And let's see what's inside. Got bag 1, bag 3, looks like a lot of little circles. Bag 2, bag 6, bag 5, bag 4, an instruction manual, and this piece here. So I'll get building and I'll see you guys in a minute. So I finished the build here. It was really relaxing build. There were some technical parts where the tree, when it was not secured to the base, this bit, it kept on falling apart. It was a nice build. You can either have the leaves green or white and pink. I left the white and pink in the bag. You could have built it and let it spare. Or you could have built it and put it on the tree and have the green not on the tree. And then at the end you would build this nice little wooden platform. It's quite nice, it holds up well. And in general the whole set is just really nice. And that's all I've got for today, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!